Today, we are unboxing the 60-watt video light that's on the TikTok shop. And as you can see, the box got a little damaged in shipping, but the packaging inside the box was able to protect the light. Okay, the first thing we have are the instructions, and these are pretty self-explanatory. We will run through a few of the functions here in this video. Next, we have the light, and it is pretty light. I do really like this compact design that they went with here. I think it works really well, and I'm really excited to use this. Now, if you don't know already, this light is battery powered, so you don't have to plug it in, but should you need to, there is a DC power port and a Type-C port. The diffuser on the front is removable and can be replaced with the included Bowens mount. Now for me, I do wish that the Bowens mount was just built into the front of this light, but I guess for the price, I can't complain. Lastly, this does come with an included power supply, and the sticker on the side of the light does recommend that you use the included power supply for the light. One of the first things I noticed is that you can actually see all the way through this light from the top to the bottom, so I'm hoping that this means it gets pretty good airflow to keep it cool. And now it's time for everyone's favorite part, removing the plastic. Now when you're removing this plastic, make sure you take off the knobs first. I thought I could get it around the knobs, and you'll see what happens when you try this. Luckily, it was just able to snap back on. To turn it on, you'll push the power button and then rotate it to the right. Then you'll be greeted with one of three modes. This is the CCT mode, which is your white color temperature. The right knob controls intensity and the other controls the color temperature, ranging from 2500K to 6500K. A single press of the left knob will take you to the next mode, and this is the HSV mode, and that is hue, saturation, and intensity. This allows you to dial in the color of your choosing. I don't show it here, but a single click on the right knob will change between hue, saturation, and intensity. And lastly, one more click of the left knob will take you to the effects mode. And this is just a bunch of preset effects that are in this light that you could use from time to time. I typically don't ever find a use for these. I'm not going to go through every one and explain them, so I'll just kind of leave you with a shot of a few of the effects that are available. Okay guys, if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and as always, stay curious, stay informed, and I will see you in the next video.